Buying your first rental. Are there some shortcuts? I'm a big believer in who, not how. Who do you need to know to be successful? Not how do you need to do it. First, the very first thing that you need to know and you need to have is a vision. You need to have a vision for the future. Are you buying this very first rental just because you need $300 extra a month in cash flow? Are you trying to leave a legacy for your family? Do you want to be able to pay for your grandchildren's colleges and universities? Buying any kind of rental, whether it be long-term rentals, short-term rentals, Airbnbs, townhomes, condos, ranches, cabins, whatever it is that you're buying, you've got to have a reason for buying it, right? And you've got to know what it is that you're looking for. Once you have that vision that pushes you through the hard times, then you need 3 people on your team. These 3 people will make it very easy for you to get through the next little bit until you have some rentals under your belt. The first person you need is a lender. And the reason you need that lender is because that lender is going to help you get long-term financing. Long-term financing that sets you up for long-term success. You want the best interest rates. Buying a long-term investment or buying a short-term investment, there are many different avenues to get financing for that. And you have to have a lender who's familiar with those different types of financing. The second person you need is a realtor. You need a realtor who can help you find properties. You need a realtor who can help you analyze those. You want a realtor who knows how to take into consideration all of the numbers that are related to your property. You need a realtor who knows how to understand those numbers for you and helps you get a final number for your consideration. The third person you need is a good general contractor, a person who has access to handyman and all of the trades. You never know if you're going to need a stucco guy, an electrician, a plumber. Just to recap, what you need is a real vision. You need an understanding of what it is that you want and why you're planning on investing in real estate. The next thing you need is a good lender. You obviously have to have good credit if you want a good lender to help you. So that's a given. But you need a good lender who understands investing so he can help you get the best financing. Next, you need a great realtor. You need a realtor who understands investing, who has investments, and who probably has access to a lot of good service providers. If you're in the Salt Lake area, I would love to apply for the job of helping you invest in your properties. That's one of the things that I do. I love to help investors. I personally am an investor. But if you're not in the Salt Lake area, then I recommend make sure that you find somebody who understands investing before you start talking to just any realtor, because not everybody understands investing. And the next thing you need is a good general contractor who has access to professionals that can help you and are reliable. The future is bright. Happy investing.